1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Introduce me to your family. Watch my favorite shows on your TV. Made me breakfast in the morning when you got home from work. Making plans to travel around the world. Said we'd always put each other first. Old love songs we used to play too. Funny, now I hate you. Now I remember when you called me late at night. I gave you my hours and advice, was trying to fix you and all your daddy issues. But now I don't even miss you anymore. So I want all the tears back that I cried. All the hours spent giving advice on how to write your songs. All you did was prove me wrong. When you said you loved me, well, you must have had your fingers crossed. Should have paid attention to my friends, telling me how bad it's gonna end. Always giving their opinions. Now I wish I would have listened. I could say I'm sorry, but I'm not. You don't deserve the one thing that you lost. Now I remember when you'd call me late at night. I gave you my hours and advice, was trying to fix you and all your daddy issues. But now I don't even miss you anymore. So I want all the tears back that I cried. All the hours spent giving advice on how to write your songs. All you did was prove me wrong. When you said you loved me, well, you must have had your fingers crossed. Your fingers crossed. Your fingers crossed. Oh, when you said you loved me, well, you must have had your fingers crossed. Oh, I want all the tears back that I cried. All the hours spent giving advice on how to write your songs. All you did was prove me wrong. Wished you said you loved me when you didn't have your fingers crossed.
Hey, thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video if you want to see more content coming from this channel. Also, I want to thank today's sponsor, Enya Music, for allowing me to showcase this concert-sized Nova ukulele, which, by the way, is made out of carbon fiber, so it's very sturdy. It's not going to warp in different weather conditions. It's travel-friendly. It's not going to dent. And I love that it contains these features like the strap buttons right here on the side, a sound hole on the side that projects up to your face. Also, the action is very low, so it's easy to press down on those strings. The tone sounds incredible, and it's very affordable. So if you want to get your hands on this ukulele model, then don't forget to click the link in my description box below. By the way, if you're looking for good music and great vibes, then check out this video right there. It's going to take you to another one of my covers that hopefully you'll be inspired by. Maybe you'll be entertained, but at the very least, check it out. You won't regret it, and I look forward to seeing you right over there.